Welcome everyone, welcome to the channel. So today we have iPhone 13 and I'm gonna quickly show you how to get into the recovery mode of iPhone 13, 14, 15 and 16. All these phones, they use exactly the same method to get into the recovery. Just in case if you need to get into the recovery and connect to the computer. So let me quickly show you how to do that. The first thing, we need to connect a USB cable that should be connected to your computer. So now you can press volume up, volume down once and hold the power button. So it's a quick one. You have to press volume up, volume down and then power button quickly. Don't release the power button until we see the recovery. So let's hope we're gonna get into the recovery, and definitely we're getting into the recovery while you are connected to the PC. There we go. It's a very simple, easy method to do that, and that's how you do it.